Hello guys, David Schneider here, and in this video we're gonna go over the dynamic forms in CRM Runner. How do you create a dynamic form, insert it to your website, to your social media, get leads coming up there, and then from there it goes to your lead section, it updates you, it's SMSing you, emailing you, and then from there you can move it in the funnel, update your team members, and close more deals. So let's check how it works. So as I come to the CRM, I click here login like always. I fall in on the dashboard and I come here, I go to forms and I create a form. So I click forms. I can create any kind of form that I want. Let's create a form together, guys. So let's say I'm in the business of security cameras. So I do here security cameras form. Again, you take it to your world, any kind of form that you want. It can be a contact form, it can be any form, right? So by default you get a name, phone, email. Let's leave those because let's call it lead form. Okay. Okay, now I can add a header, so I can call this form so that people can see the form name. I'm gonna call it get your home secured, let's say. Okay, and let's say I get name, phone, email, so I want more things. So maybe I want a select box. So for example, what type of system do you need? So I'm gonna give them option. I want a let's say alarm system. I want maybe security cameras for my home, or maybe I want a sound system. Okay, doesn't matter. Then maybe I want more details. Your address. What is your address? And maybe some big text area. So as you can see, I can drag and drop all the fields. Tell us more about your needs. And I can put rows. So I say, okay, 3 rows. So it's gonna give the client 3 rows to fill up. I finished. Again, you can add dates fields. You can add checkboxes, radio groups, whatever you want. So I click save. And if I want to test it, I click go to form. And as you can see, it's gonna look like that. Now, when I fill out my form, so I can take this link and put it anywhere, as well as I can take a short code. I can take this short code and put it on my website or any kind of landing page that I need. And now, if I fill out this form, as you can see, let's say I type David Schneider. My phone is 305-111-4444. My email is david@gmail. That's not really my email, but that's fine. What is your address? 123 Main Street. And tell us more about your needs. I need 3 cameras installed. Okay, and you see this is the title, Get Your Home Secured. So that's a header. I click save and it refreshes itself. So the point of refreshing itself, that's good when you have team. Maybe you don't you have some team in India or other countries that are just cold callers and they filling out leads like that. You don't want to put them on a payroll or to be members on the CRM, so they can just be a remote workforce. They fill out a form, they click save, it refresh. They don't need to understand in CRM. You just give them this link and they just keep adding more and more leads. As they fill out the leads will come here. And as you can see, I filled out David Schneider, so the lead is here and it updates the right people that are part of your CRM. I can see the details here, Davey, the phone number, and I can click on forms. I see that he filled out the form, so I can click view and I see all the details. He needs 3 cameras, he lives in 123 Main Street, whatever it is, right? Now, as you can see, that form is kind of not good for websites. Why? Because when somebody fills it out, it refreshes itself, right? And on my website, I already have a logo. I don't need a logo here again. So what you can do, you can just go back to forms and you can click update on delete on that form, sorry. And you can see there is enable thank you page after form submitted. And I want to remove the logo because it's going to be in my website. I don't need the logo there again. So I can click save again. And let's try it out now. Again, you can take the shortcode. So I click go to form. You see there is no logo anymore, so it will be nicer on my website. And again, if I fill out the form, David the Great, phone number, whatever, email at email.com. I need sound system. What's your address? 123 Main Street. And tell us something. Okay, save. Now it's gonna have a thank you page. So that's much nicer on your website because now it's actually letting know the client, hey, you finished the form, thank you, move on. Okay guys, so this is kind of dynamic form. Just want to show you how cool and easy it is. Just dragging and dropping, deciding what is the fields, and saving, and just take the shortcut, put it on your website, and you're done. Okay, thank you guys. Thank you for watching. I was David Schneider, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. Have a blessed day.